everybody, the Hacienda Rivet here. Today we are going to show a package that I got from the Australian Post. I got a package from Patrick over at Patty Joe Cooking. Yes, sirree, Bob. All kinds of good stuff in it. We got some squeezy Vegemite, which I love, but we can't get this squeezy container here in the States. I love Vegemite. We got some Master Foods Australian mustard, sweet and savory. And Patrick, you know how much I love mustards, so thank you very much for that. I can't wait to taste it. And then, of course, the original chicken chippy salt. We can't get this here in the States, and I've heard how good this stuff is. It is crazy delicious. Now, I have cheated. I got this box a week ago. I've been eating this cheesy chippy salt from Fremantle, Western Australia for a week now. I put it on everything. I put it on burgers. I put it on a sandwich. I put it on french fries. I put it on hummus with corn tortilla chips. What else have I put it on? Oh, tomatoes and cucumbers. Oh my God. And the interesting thing about this, I don't know what it is that makes it more than just chicken flavored salt. It has wheat starch, onion powder. It's got beef fat, bell pepper powder, soy sauce powder, herbs. It's got all kinds of stuff, and folks, it is more than the sum of its parts. I've talked about it to other people, and they said, well, it's just, it's the same as the chicken ramen seasoning. No, it's not. It's much better. Let me show you how I like to eat it. Okay, we're going to start out with the tomatoes. This is how I like to eat this salt. On the tomatoes, it has such a gorgeous flavor. And, I got to get a fork and a knife. Okay, so I got the fork and the knife. And this stuff is just gorgeous, people. Oh my goodness. Let me slobber some. Oh. And I'm telling you, that stuff is more than the sum of its parts. Absolutely fantastic, especially on garden tomatoes. Hey, just that alone is perfect. Okay, so let's try the sweet and savory mustard. Thanks, Patrick. You know I'm a mustard lover. Let's put this baby down like this. And I like mustard on cucumbers. They pair with the flavor very well. So let's try this. Wow. This is a mouthful of mustard. This is an in-your-face mustard. I'm liking it. Made in Australia from at least 75% Australian ingredients. Well, let me say this about that. This is yellow mustard with a kick. This is about the best yellow mustard I've ever tasted in my life. American yellow mustard is wimpy compared to this. And you can see it's got specks of mustard seed in there. That is good stuff. Okay, well, I'm grilling hamburgers this afternoon. That stuff is going on my burger for sure. Okay, and how do I like my Vegemite? Well, I like it on Triscuits. Salty on salty. Can't beat that. So let's go ahead and give it a squeeze And I love the squeezable stuff. Vegemite that we get here in a jar is grainy. Can you see this? Oh. Mmm. That is so good. Has a hint of sweetness. Mmm. I love the, oh, what is it? Yeasty flavor. Oh my God. Patrick, thank you. This squeezy Vegemite is even better than the gritty jar Vegemite that we get here. This is awesome. Now, let me show you how I'm going to eat that. I got some Australian old crock sharp cheddar cheese. Let me cut some up and join me in a bit. Okay, so I got the old crock cut up. By the way, that's fantastic cheese. Anybody watching this, you can get this all across America. That is some of the best cheddar you can find. Okay, so we're gonna get some squeezy. Come on, Vegemite. It's farting on me. Squeegee Vegemite with some old crock. Sharp on sharp on sharp. Salt on salt on salt. What could be better? Mmm. Mmm. Oh my goodness. Patrick, you're the king. Thank you for the package. Thanks for everything. People, thanks for watching. Y'all take care.